la mer du Japon et la mer de l'Est, l'archipel japonais est entouré de côtes. L'occasion pour nous de découvrir les meilleurs spots où il fait bon surfer nippon. Regardez.
Avec une densité de près de 1600 habitants au kilomètre carré, difficile de s'isoler au Japon, même sur l'eau. Les spots ne sont pas si nombreux, mais de qualité. Alors si vous adoptez la zen attitude, votre tour viendra pour un ride mémorable sur une vague de classe mondiale. Exemple avec Chiba, situé à l'est de Tokyo, des vagues puissantes et un récif omniprésent. La région est dangereuse, mais elle attire de plus en plus de curieux, avides de sensations fortes. Et même les plus expérimentés s'y sont offerts de belles frayeurs.
Where I surfed was around Chiba, and I got a really good wave. There's a place called Malibu, funny enough. It's where everybody goes with their new boards and their new wetsuits, and they really like to show off their equipment, I guess their status, you know. As we were coming back and going back to Tokyo, there was a point that I guess they don't surf very often because it's kind of big and kind of gnarly, and the day that I was driving by, I said, "Stop, please, stop, this wave's good." And everyone's like, no, we don't surf here, it's too much, too big, too scary. And I said, "Hey, man, well, you don't mind if I go, you know, because I want to get some waves." And so they said, "Yeah, sure, go." But as we were paddling out, I realized it was much bigger than it was. So it turned out to be like, I don't know, on the set's about 10 feet, but bowling like round and almost square. It was so heavy, you know, but it was a very good experience.
Évidemment, la meilleure saison au Japon pour surfer, c'est l'été. Pas très original, me direz-vous, mais les raisons sont différentes d'ailleurs. Si les surfeurs prennent d'assaut l'océan du mois de juillet à début octobre, c'est que les typhons pointent leur nez. Alors n'espérez pas bronzer ni découvrir une eau translucide. Tout ce que vous trouverez, ce seront des paysages apocalyptiques et des vagues monstrueuses. De plus, bonne nouvelle, le japonais est prêteur. Si vous êtes assez dingue pour vous élancer, il vous fera partager. Le Japon compte moins d'1% d'immigrés, mais l'océan est à tout le monde.
I didn't see localism. I saw just a kind of respect for each other. You know, everyone in Hawaii you have this. You have some places on the planet that have heavy localism. Brazil has this, I think, pretty much. I think most of the world-class waves or the waves that are surfed frequently, where they have a lot of travelers, then they experience localism. But in Japan, I didn't see anything like that, you know. I just saw, like, yeah, happy smiles, you know, like, stuff like that.
Entre tremblements de terre, typhons et raz-de-marée, Dame Nature épargne rarement le Japon. Dernier drame en date, le tsunami en mars dernier qui a débouché sur l'incident nucléaire de Fukushima. Les eaux de Chiba ont été contaminées et du coup, les surfeurs ont dû s'exiler à la découverte de nouveaux spots.
It probably has an effect, I would think, if they're pouring all that water into the ocean, you know, it's contaminated. So I don't know that it's super crowded in all these spots at the moment, but they might go either further south, or I think you can surf pretty much on the inside. If Japan comes down like this, and normally the waves are on this side of the island, I think there's waves on the other side, which faces China. So you have to, those typhoons I was telling you about before, if they come around and come up in between, then you can get waves on the other side.